For over 30 years, ECM has been a leader in the air conditioning, plumbing, and home warranty industry. What started with one man and one truck has become a company of over 225 employees. At ECM, we go the extra mile to make sure that we design the perfect system for your home. We will meet or exceed the manufacturer's engineering and installation specifications. Most companies are only interested in swapping out your old system with a new one. None, if any, will perform a home in-depth attic, ductwork, and airflow assessment. We perform a 99-point home inspection that will identify any deficiencies in your current system so that we can design and engineer a system that is perfectly tailored to your home. Every customer's situation is unique and may vary. In this video, we would like to highlight some key points that show you why ECM is a true leader in the industry and how we hold our AC installations to a higher standard. When installing a new AC system, the existing slab must have a 2-inch clearance on all sides to be legal and meet all standards to code. With every ECM AC installation, 8 hurricane straps are fastened from the AC unit to the solid concrete slab. This is required by law to prevent any damage during hurricanes. Prior to the replacement of an old condenser, the law requires that all freon in the condenser be reclaimed and properly disposed of. After adding the AC system flush kit to the existing copper lines, we then use nitrogen to blow through both lines and clear and clean the interior of the piping. Once your existing AC lines are flushed, they are then reattached using expert precision and re-insulated to prevent any unwanted damage from weather. Adding copper insulation, painting, and taping the lines together to reduce the vibration and help with the condensation from heat lines. All of these are legal requirements when doing a new AC installation. An important step to every AC installation is flushing out the existing lines to make sure that there is a clean environment for the new AC system. The technician measures, cuts, and lines up the existing ductwork to match the new AC system. This is important to prevent any kind of air leaks or loss of efficiency in your new system. With expert precision, the technician will cut and measure a new air supply to match your existing ductwork. A glue adhesive is used for maximum strength when applying the tape to the new AC unit. This ensures that there are no air leaks and that the unit is securely sealed. Once your new AC unit is in place, the technician will then seal the existing ductwork to the new air supply. At ECM, we do not cut any corners. We even go as far as insulating the interior of your new duct joints using mastic fiber seal to prevent any unwanted air leaks. Our technicians use key tools and equipment to ensure that your engineered system is installed with the highest precision to meet all manufacturer specifications and regulations. For extra safety, the TXV bulb is removed to prevent damage to the copper lines during welding. A clean wet rag is placed behind the copper lines to prevent any unwanted heat or damage during the welding process. At ECM, we use a flush kit on every single refrigerant line to eliminate moisture, debris, and prevent any issues while working on soldering with the new copper lines. All of our work at ECM is precise and clean with major attention to airflow distribution throughout your home. According to the EPA, undersized ductwork and sloppy installation can account for up to 30% of energy loss in a new AC system. For more information, visit us on the web at www.ecmservice.com or give us a call at 561-586-3739.